Picture this, a sea of people, draped in white, moving as one under the desert sun. Have you ever wondered what are they searching for? This isn't just a trip to Mecca. It's a journey to the core of your soul. Pause for a second. If you could stand before God, what would you ask for? Drop it in the comments. Let's embark on this sacred journey together. It all begins with Ihram, two simple white cloths. No seams, no scents, no labels, no status, just you as God's servant. Malcolm X, after donning Ihram, wrote, "For the first time, my race, my past, vanished. It was just me and God." Ihram strips away the noise of the world, your job, your titles, your pride. Before God, we're all equal, fragile, human. What part of your life would you leave behind to start anew? Now, you circle the Kaaba 7 times. Not once, not twice, 7. Why? Because life moves in cycles. Planets orbit stars, hearts orbit purpose, and you orbit God. The Kaaba is the heartbeat of the world. Each circle pulls you closer to your truth. Ask yourself, what's at the center of your life? Between the hills of Safa and Marwa, you walk and run. Just like Hagar, a mother searching for water, for life, for her son, Ishmael, alone in the desert, her heart fueled by faith. She didn't know where help would come from, but she moved, and God gifted her Zamzama spring of hope. Sai teaches us, faith isn't passive, faith runs. When was the last time you ran towards something you believed in? In the plains of Arafat, you stand, under the blazing sun, surrounded by millions, yet utterly alone. No rituals, no movement, just you, present. This is the heart of Hajj, a glimpse of Judgment Day. Just you, your deeds, and God. When was the last time you asked for forgiveness, not for things, but for peace? If this moment speaks to you, hit that like button. As the sun sets, you walk to Muzdalifah. You sleep under an open sky. No roof, no walls, just you, the stars, and silent. There, you gather pebbles, small, but mighty. You're preparing for a battle, not with the world, but with the whispers within. In Mina, you throw stones at 3 pillars. They symbolize Satan, but the real enemy? It's inside you. Each stone is a no. No to temptation, no to pride, no to the voice that says, "You're enough on your own." Abraham stood against evil. What are you standing against today? Then comes the sacrifice. An animal, yes, but it's more a surrender of what holds you back. Your ego, your habits, your attachments. Real change always demands a price. What are you ready to let go of? Finally, you shave your head. You shed the last traces of who you were. It's not just hair, it's a symbol of humility, of rebirth, of becoming new. You came as one person, but you leave as another. Not just a Haji, but someone who saw truth, felt unity, knew God not distant, but near. Hajj ends in Mecca, but it lives on in your heart every single day. Share this video with someone you love. In the comments, tell us which step of Hajj spoke to your soul. And if you want more stories that awaken the spirit, hit subscribe and ring the bell.